or die. Get big or get out.
I have a nice-sized farm, family-owned for 4 generations. I am #1 in 7 counties, including Boone, Decatur.
Dad's got Decatur. Took it last week.
Took is a strong word.
I know your dad owned 200 acres. I can take it off your hands.
Get out of here.
I'm
I
so
can't stand
sorry.
you kind of people. But I don't ever want to come back to Iowa. Where do we sign?
I'm going to give you your own stake in the family farm.
I'm not staying here, Dad. I'm racing cars.
Why does he consistently disrespect me? If I like what I see today.
We'll give you one and only one shot. That foot is made of lead. It's gonna get you to NASCAR.
You're not going to make it in the big leagues. Take the land. It's in your blood.
Don't you lose what my daddy started.
I know you've been sleeping with her. I love you, and you make me feel like an idiot for it every day.
That was really impressive on the track today. I'm Meredith.
And I'm his girlfriend.
Henry Whipple, we've been investigating you. We got a tip. Who gave you this tip? We need to visit your fields.
Who could have done this? You didn't knock, did you?
Tell me who was.
You ruined me. If they find out,
We'll lose everything.
I don't know what to do. You're in trouble, aren't you?
Call off the agents. Call them all.